What? What? Oh my god! No way! Is that a switch? I wonder who it is. I don't know whose it is, so I'm just gonna steal it, guys. So, yeah, let's, grab it. Let's see what's there. What the heck? Is the Battle Cat? I didn't... Did you guys know that they even had Battle Cats on the Nintendo Switch? Dude. Who's playing? Oh, yeah, that's probably the owner, but, yeah. No way! It's really Battle Cats. Yeah, I can't believe it. They finally have Battle Cats on the Nintendo Switch. I guess I'll conquer the planet. Okay. Okay. No way, it's really Battle Cats. The battle begins. Let's play! Someone's on my Nintendo Switch! What are you doing? Oh, is this who it is? Oh, you stupid old man. What did you just say? I'm not an old man. Oh, who's that? That's new. That was never in Battle Cats. Look at that. I'm gonna get out that guy. Well, it's mine, so yeah. Wait, what? I thought you were gonna let me play one level. Nope.